Learn Gujarati from English. Dative sentences with
પરિવારનો મદદ
and everyday phrases. Welcome to your Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a tiny story, a few laughs, and zero homework panic. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy sounding smarter every minute. Today you will practice 5 useful Gujarati sentences. Here they are, one by one. The man gives the ball to the child.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે.
I sent the woman an email.
હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું.
We help the friend.
અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ.
He belongs to the family.
તે પરિવારનો છે.
I answer the colleague.
હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું.
Notice how several sentences involve doing something to someone, like giving, sending, helping, or answering. That pattern will start to feel natural very quickly. The tiny chaotic story. Let's make the words stick with a ridiculous little scene. If the story feels silly, good, your memory loves silly. Picture a park, an office, and a family gathering all crashing into the same afternoon. First, in the park.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે.
The child looks delighted. The ball is almost bigger than the child, which is not practical, but it is memorable. Then your phone buzzes. You sit on a bench, become strangely professional, and say,
હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું.
because apparently even in the park, email never sleeps. Suddenly your friend drops a bag, 3 books, and most of their dignity. You and everyone nearby jump in.
અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ.
A man arrives late to the scene, and someone whispers warmly,
તે પરિવારનો છે.
ah, mystery solved. He is not random, he is family. Finally, your colleague messages you with a question so urgent it could probably have waited until tomorrow. Still, you nobly reply,
હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું.
congratulations, you have survived the world's most crowded beginner language scene. Phrase breakdown. Now let's slow things down and make each sentence feel friendly instead of mysterious. Sentence 1. The man gives the ball to the child. In Gujarati.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે.
Useful words.
માણસ
Means man.
બાળક
Means child.
બોલ
Means ball, and
આપે છે.
means gives. Sentence 2. I sent the woman an email. In Gujarati.
હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું. હું
Is I.
સ્ત્રીને
Is to the woman.
ઈમેલ
Is email, and
મોકલું છું.
means send. Sentence 3. We help the friend. In Gujarati.
અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ. અમે
Means we.
મિત્રને
Means the friend, and
મદદ કરીએ છીએ.
means help. Sentence 4. He belongs to the family. In Gujarati.
તે પરિવારનો છે. એ
Means he.
પરિવારનો
Relates to the family, and
છે.
means is. Sentence 5. I answer the colleague. In Gujarati.
હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું. સહકર્મીને
Means the colleague, and
જવાબ આપું છું.
means answer or give a reply. Repeat after me. Time to speak. Don't worry about perfection. Confident nonsense is still progress, and today it might even become correct Gujarati. Repeat.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે.
Again.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે.
Repeat.
હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું.
Again.
હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું.
Repeat.
અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ.
Again.
અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ.
Repeat.
તે પરિવારનો છે.
Again.
તે પરિવારનો છે.
Repeat.
હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું.
Again.
હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું.
Mini dialogue madness. Now you will hear the phrases inside a playful dialogue. Imagine this being the weirdest but nicest day of your week. A. What is happening in the park? B.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે.
A. Did you contact the woman? B.
હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું.
A. Our friend looks overwhelmed. What do we do? B.
અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ.
A. Who is that man at the family event? B.
તે પરિવારનો છે.
A. Your coworker asked a question. B.
હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું.
Quick quiz. Let's see what stuck. No stress, if you miss one, that just means your brain wants an encore. How do you say, the man gives the ball to the child? Answer.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે.
How do you say, I sent the woman an email? Answer.
હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું.
How do you say, we helped the friend? Answer.
અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ.
How do you say, he belongs to the family? Answer.
તે પરિવારનો છે.
How do you say, I answer the colleague? Answer.
હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું.
Your final challenge. You are almost done. Give yourself one last brave try and say the lines out loud like you own them. Here is your challenge. Imagine one scene that includes all 5 ideas. A man in the park, a child with a ball, a woman receiving an email, a friend getting help, a relative at a family event, and a colleague waiting for a reply. Now say the 5 Gujarati sentences from memory. If you remembered even part of them, that is real progress. If you remembered all 5, please enjoy your imaginary trophy, your dramatic music, and your completely justified pride. Thanks and keep practicing. Great job today. You showed up, listened, repeated, and your Gujarati is already stronger than it was a few minutes ago. Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing these sentences.
માણસ બાળકને બોલ આપે છે. હું સ્ત્રીને એક ઈમેલ મોકલું છું. અમે મિત્રને મદદ કરીએ છીએ. તે પરિવારનો છે. હું સહકર્મીને જવાબ આપું છું.
Come back, repeat them again, and let your mouth and ears become friends with Gujarati. You are doing great.